Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a game using the Xbox gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in xbox.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Xbox website by Microsoft. Now first of all, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then use your login credentials such as your phone number or your email address and your password to sign into your Xbox account. Now after you have signed into your account, you can browse through the various games that are available within the Xbox store and use your card from within the game buy menu, or you can also click on the game's title at the top section and then from the drop down menu click on redeem code at the very end. Now once you click on this, you will be taken into the redeem page where you can simply type in your redeem code and then click on the redeem button. After clicking on the redeem button, your redemption process will be completed and your purchase will also complete. Once the purchase is completed, you will be able to download the game immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy a game using the Xbox gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.